Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. Standing in front of a house that I recently sold and is just about to close, but before the new owners move in, I want to do a video to tell you how I sold it. This property we listed just before the COVID pandemic kicked in. It's the beginning of March. Typically a bungalow in downtown Newmarket would sell very quickly, but due to the pandemic it took actually a couple months. So what did we do to get the job done? Well, when COVID first kicked in, we put in a policy to make sure that the homeowners were safe, to make sure that even people coming through the house were safe. In addition to that, we made virtual tours galore so that people could understand what the house looked like before having to step foot inside. That being said, we were able to put a buyer and a seller together and make this deal come together. Technology really helped. We were allowed electronic signatures across the board, and before I know it, the deal got done. These guys have moved on to something new, and these new homeowners are moving into a beautiful neighborhood. So, if you have any questions in regards to get your house ready to sell, let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. Have a great rest of your day.